Creating your product photos and videos inside Amazon's AI Studio is now possible within minutes. Let me show you how I use Amazon's AI tools to create pictures and videos for my brand. I'm Pallavi Pandey, owner at Detox. At Detox, we make sustainable tableware like your plates and bowls out of palm leaves and bamboo fiber. As a small brand with limited resources and budget, creating professional videos and photographs used to be expensive. But now, Amazon's creative tools make it easier. Amazon's AI video generator turns one single product image into videos automatically. These AI creative tools were designed for small businesses to develop professional advertising content without the help of agencies or studios. It took a few seconds, but it generated this image. You go under products and add your product ASIN right here on the tab. Click on generate. Let me show you the result. Keep taking. So if you're an Amazon seller or product brand, AI tools like this help us create high quality content quickly.